All right, we are still continuing in our training, and I remember my humble self, Mr. Benjamin, the facilitator and the pioneer of Success Academy Skill Acquisition Training Center, which remains the platform for personal development and maximum productivity. And so today we are looking at how to create web application using AI. As you know, AI is revolutionizing the whole digital era as we are into this time around, and if you're not equipped with this knowledge, you'll be left behind. Okay, so we are still making use of the Google Gemini sites that we've been using all this while. So you type it there. I'm already having it here, so I'll just click it, type Gemini, and you see it, and click it to bring you to the platform. If you are watching this video for the first time, that means you have to subscribe to to sign up with the Google Gemini before you can now be able to sign in to begin to create whatever you want to do. Okay, so if you have not seen our first video that we've been doing all this while, you can check through our channels and go through them and see how you can work with them. Okay, sorry, this is the Canva. Let me just type it here. You see already. Okay, so I'm here. Once you come to this place, this is where you begin to do your design. Okay, the creation of the app. All right, so we have Ask Gemini. You see this after the plus, you see Canva. This is what you select. There are some that when you come into it, you see video. If you leave it at video or you select video, it will, whatever you ask it to do will now be created in the video form. So you select the Canva option here. So I'm going to tell it to create a web application that can serve as a book that will be read online with the information below. Okay, so I've already copied the book that I want to convert to app. Is the book I use in training students for coding class. Okay, so I've written a book on that, so I just want to convert it to app so that students can also come online to read it instead of having the book, whichever one the person wants, whether getting the book or reading it from the app. So I just click here. So if your own is maybe whatever you want to create, you just give it the command or the prompt to do whatever you want it to do. So I'll go down and I'll paste the text that I've copied. It's a very long one, so it will take a little time. Okay, so once you do that, you hit the send button and wait for it to create the app. This is the process. Are you with me? So if I click it now, it will take time before this, and I don't want the video to be long, So this is just the process. You type your command, what you want it to do, tell it what you want to do, be specific of what you want it to do, the app you want it to create, maybe a business app, whatever type of app you want. You must have that in mind before coming here. And in case you don't have, maybe mine, as I use my own, is book. Your own may not be book. Whatever you want to do with or create with create the app with, that is what you will tell it to do with some information you have at hand. You must give it some information to work with. All right, so once you do that, you hit the search button or the go ahead button. It will now go ahead and create it for you. After creating, you will see once it's done, you see share. So you can now share the link maybe to your WhatsApp, so that from here you can now begin to use it to share to other people to have access to whatever you've created. All right, or you copy it by yourself, whichever one you want to do. The code, if you want to also use the code as I train my student in the other platform, you can copy the code and go to TradeEdit, where we use in our coding class, and put it and run the same code and see how it will come up with. Then you compare and contrast and see the one that is better. But I think Gemini is producing a better result, because of the pro version I'm making use of. All right. So this is how to do that. Try it and let me see what you come up with. If you are my student, you post the result on the line on our platform so that we'll click the link and see how beautiful your app is. All right. So if you're not my student and you are willing to learn this, you can, subscribe to our trainings. We run both online and offline trainings. All right. Thank you.